stop, be present, enjoy. I couldn't do any of these things. I felt like I couldn't control my mind. Everything around me, so many life struggles, I needed help knowing I wasn't alone. Then I discovered meditation. It changed my life in ways I couldn't comprehend.
It's about coming to the root of problems to begin with.
No matter what is happening, it's only a problem if it's a problem in the mind.
All of us need to have access to these important teachings.
You're already whole, and there's nothing wrong with you.
Peace and happiness. It was already inside me. I just needed a little help finding it.
We're taking ancient tools and putting a new energy to them.
Your whole day, your whole life can be meditation.
Now I feel more like me.
This practice has transformed my life.
I approach life with a sense of joy and self-confidence.
Meditation has been a path of deep healing.
This class is going to help support you in guiding you towards your well-being.